us about your personal background po. Name, years of experience, and age.
My name is Lou. You can call me Lou. Personal background, hindi ako taga Manila, taga Mandaluyong ako. Yung experience ko, this is my first job as a barista. Ayun, yun lang.
Ano po yung favorite things niya about being barista?
Yung favorite things ko about being a barista is I can make my own coffee. I can learn new techniques kung paano gumawa ng coffee ko.
And what are the top 3 qualities must have being a barista po?
A must-have ng isang barista is, of course, you should have a good personality and you should be social. Pangalawa, you can adapt well sa environment mo, and you should also be eager to learn new skills pag may bagong drink.
Ano lang po yung niyo po, most unforgettable moment po sa pagiging barista?
Yung most unforgettable moment ko naman, medyo maliit lang siya for others, pero for me kasi first time kong maging barista. So for the first time, na-compliment ng customer yung drink ko. Hindi ko siya makakalimutan talaga.
Ano po pwede niyo maging tips para sa mga aspiring future barista?
Ang tips ko lang is learn things at your own pace. Huwag kayong magmadali na matuto ng kung paano gumawa ng kung paano maging barista, gano'n. Just take your time. Yun lang naman.
Sa mga nagawa niyo pong drink, ano po yung pinaka-favorite niyo pong nagawa?
Ang pinaka-favorite ko from our shop is called Dark Java Series. Ano siya? Coffee frap. Chocolate and coffee frap. Ayun.
Yung sa in-order po namin yung brewed coffee, ano po yung method niyo?
Ang method po namin na ginagawa, first kukunin mo yung French press namin. Lalagay kami ng 1 scoop ng native cold brew powder. Tapos lalagyan namin siya ng hot water, i-simmer for 3 minutes. Tapos ayun, once ready na yung ipe-press down siya once in 30 seconds. Tapos i-pour siya over a filter, clothed filter, yung ginagawa namin.